Hey everyone, it's Madison here. How's your day? My day's awesome, and I'll show you why. Because this just came in the mail from Mermaid Jessica. It is my very first silicone tail, and I'm super excited. And I can't wait any longer, so I'm just gonna open it. Okay, let's see now. Don't want to cut the tail. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's like Christmas. It's really heavy. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. Here it is. It's really heavy. I don't know, I just wasn't expecting it to be so heavy. Let's get, oh my goodness. Oh, wow, you never know until you hold it in person. Oh my gosh. There's the fluke. Oh, oh, it's so floppy. I love it. Look at that. So my tail has a finished foil monofin inside of it. So the monofin itself is really, really floppy, which I really like. I like the really floppy, fishy look. I have my own finished foil at home, and I've been swimming once or twice a week at the gym, just getting used to swimming with that monofin. I'm super duper excited to actually be able to swim in my tail. Let's look closer. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ah, look at that. Look at the pretty colors. Got blue and turquoise and green on the edges. Look at the pretty fade job. It looks awesome. And of course there's polka dots because I love polka dots more than anything. Oh gosh. Here's the front. Look at that with my green down the front. And then no green on the back, so just fading from darker blue to lighter blue. It's wonderful. I love it. I'm so excited. It's beautiful. Thank you, Jessica. Oh, you did such an amazing job. I'm so happy that I was able to work with you. Oh my gosh, look at this. I can't believe it's mine. I'm so excited. It's beautiful. Oh my. I can't stop looking at it. I cannot wait to take it on its first swim. So for folks on Mer Network who have seen Jessica go through the process of making a tail, you know she's incredible with hiding her seams. This is no exception. Look at that. Look at those invisible seams. You really can't even tell where the tail comes together. That's awesome. That is so incredible. You did an amazing job, Jessica. Thank you. Love it. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to put it on. I will definitely have pictures soon and hopefully some video soon. I'd say give me till the end of the week and I should be uploading some more stuff. Until then, just know that I'm over here in Wisconsin, super duper excited about this tail, and I'm gonna hop in our infinity pool and just swim in place. I'm gonna swim in place. I'm too excited. I can't even wait to get to a regular full-size pool. So, thanks for watching, and a huge, huge thank you to Jessica. I love you. You are the best. I love my tail. I'm so happy. Thank you. Oh, it turned out so good. Oh my gosh. It's the best. I'm so happy. My abs are going to be so great.
the wiggle man. Yeah. I'm sexy and I know it.